Your strongest muscle and worst enemy is your mind. Train it well. Welcome to this week's Words of Wisdom. I'm Dr. G, Executive Director of the Universal Promise Center of Spiritual Enlightenment, where we explore profound truths that empower your journey of transformation. You can find us at www.universalpromisecsc.com or join our Facebook group, Universal Promise, or follow us on Instagram at OmniCreate. Today, we embrace a sacred truth that calls us into deeper mastery. Your strongest muscle and worst enemy is your mind. Train it well. In the grand design of creation, the mind is both the architect and the battleground. The wisdom of Source reminds us that our mental landscape determines the quality of our experience. Our thoughts have the power to elevate us into divine alignment or entangle us in limitation. How we train our minds shape the reality we live. Consider the mind as the most important instrument in creation. Just as a muscle strengthens without use, so too does the mind develop through conscious training. Left unchecked, it can become the greatest adversary, feeding doubt, fear, and limitation. But when disciplined with awareness, it becomes the gateway to wisdom, clarity, and limitless potential. Romans 12:2 imparts this wisdom. Do not conform to the pattern of the world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. This passage reveals a sacred truth. The mind is not fixed. It is fluid, capable of transformation. When we take responsibility for our thoughts, we reclaim our creative power, aligning ourselves with divine intelligence and universal flow. In other words, an untrained mind is like a wild river, uncontrolled, unpredictable, and often destructive. It absorbs fear from the world, magnifies problems, and leads us astray. But a trained mind is like a masterful carved channel, directing energy with purpose, harnessing wisdom, and manifesting divine will. This wisdom does not come as a burden, but as an invitation to mental mastery. Every thought is a choice. Every reaction is opportunity. Through mindfulness, meditation, and deliberate focus, we train our minds to become instruments of divine power rather than victims of circumstance. We shift from reactive to intentional, from chaos to creation. From a metaphysical perspective, training the mind is an act of harmonizing with Source. Just as the universe moves in divine order, so too must we bring order to our mental landscape. When we discipline our minds to think in alignment with true possibility and expressions, we unlock the door to transformation, healing, and infinite potential. So as we continue this journey of expansion and remembrance, let us embrace this sacred truth. Your strongest muscle and worst enemy is your mind. So train it well. Let us commit to the mastering of thoughts, refining our focus and directing our mental energy with purpose. For in doing so, we become conscious architects of our reality,
manifesting lives of wisdom, peace, and divine abundance. And so it is. This is brought to you by the Universal Promise, CSC. If this message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And join us on this journey of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Thank you.